Algebra word problems number 25. Write, solve equations for uniform motion. These are distance equations. Distance, rate, and time, or distance, speed, and time. Rate and speed are the same thing. So uniform motion problems refer to the distance traveled, the rate of speed, and the time. And the equation used is distance equals rate times time. We usually have two of the variable amounts to plug into the equation, so we can solve for the third variable. And time is also equal to the distance divided by the rate, and the rate is equal to the distance divided by the time. We can flip this equation around, which is a formula actually, to solve another one of its variables. So if we know the rate and the time and we want the distance, we can just multiply them together. If we know the distance and the rate, we can find the time. And if we know the distance and time, we can find the rate, and just keep switching it around to find the answer we want, okay? So Tala went for a bike ride. It took her 2 hours to go 24 miles. At what speed was she traveling? So we think it took her 2 hours to go 24 miles. That means her time was 2 and her distance was 24. We can plug this into our equation. If the distance was 24 and her time was 2, we can divide the 24 by 2 to get the 12. See? The time is equal to the distance divided by the rate, or the rate is equal to the distance divided by the time. And that's what we're doing for this one. The rate is what we're trying to find. Rate equals, so that's what we're trying to solve for the R. So if we divide the distance by the time, the 24 by the 2, we'll get the rate, 12 miles per hour. See? So if the distance is 24 and the rate is 12 and the time was 2, you can see how we can flip this around. The rate times the time, the 12 times the 2, will give us the distance. Or the distance divided by the rate can give us the time. The 24 miles divided by her rate, how fast she went, 12 miles an hour, will give us the 2 hours that it took her. And we can just keep flipping this around to help us solve it. All right. Emma traveled 300 miles at 60 miles per hour and another 150 miles at 50 miles per hour. How long did her trip take? So this is really two problems, okay? She traveled 300 miles at 60 miles an hour and 150 miles at 50 miles an hour, and we have to solve them separately and then put them together. That's all. That's simple. So if she traveled 300 miles at 60 miles an hour, it means we have to divide the 300 by the 60, and that'll give us 5 hours. And then we do it again. We divide the 150 miles by the 50 miles an hour, and we get the time of 3 hours. See, the time equals the distance divided by the rate. See? We add the 5 hours and 3 hours together and get 8 hours, and we know her trip took 8 hours. Very easy. This is actually the distance formula, and it's going to be used a lot in your homework and on tests. So just remember, D equals RT, and it can be switched around. The best way to figure out if you're doing it right is use some simple numbers. Say your distance is 10 and you went 2 miles an hour for 5 hours to go the 10 miles, and use little numbers like that so that when you're doing a harder problem, you can compare them to your easier numbers to make sure you're doing it correctly. Okay? I'll see you next video. Next topic. Bye.